Back. This is episode 4, showing you my oil rig setup. What is ringing? What the hell is this? Is this?
Dad? No.
Dad.
Sorry. I'm sorry. If someone answers, don't. I just wanted to say I made it. That's all. I made it.
Made it where? Hello? Hello? Well, that was rude. Okay, so, did the game update? I honestly don't know if it updated or not. Okay, so I hope this video turns out different. I've been commented that the game is too loud in the background, so I adjusted the volume, and also I had somebody also tell me that the motion blur was affecting his epilepsy or something. I can't remember what it was, so I went ahead and adjusted the settings, and also commented to everybody who commented on my YouTube channel. So just want to thank you, and oh my god, there's more detail in the alright, so what I was saying until I realized I heard a ringing. So I guess the game updated, so let's go check out my setup here. Alright, so this is the oil rig. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Petrol tanks. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 6? Yeah, 6 diesel tanks. And I got it all going to one line coming down. Let's go up. Ooh, did not mean to do that. Let's turn this off. Then we're going to go up, and we're going to check out the stuff up here. Hopefully nothing reset while I was gone. Sorry y'all haven't seen a video from me in a while. I have actually been down sick, dealing with a issue I got from work, and needless to say, I'm on the up and up, but I've got a couple issues still going on, so now I'm going back to making some videos. So I had a whole bunch of petrol tanks in here, decided just to get rid of them. I got a whole bunch of oil tanks right here that just stay filled up, and I got it shut off to where I can just shut it off from here, go into the refineries that I have, and I'm going to pick up all this and show you my battery setup. Okay, so I only got 2 batteries in here, just supplying power to here, to the oil rig, but let me show you where all my other batteries are. I got a whole bunch of batteries in here, and they're all dead. Wow. Okay, so I think right now what's going on is my oil pump, which is down there. I got batteries down there too, which supply power to that when, you know, I decide to charge up this, which I don't think I have any juice anywhere. Oh wow, so there is no juice going. Got a little diesel generator here, so let's go down there and see what's going on. So it looks like I'm producing oil. Yeah, I have no power in any of my batteries, so I think it's just running on what I currently have up top. So let's go up top and I will show you everything I got up here. I got solar panel here, which I don't even think goes to nothing. Nope. Alright, we're going to get rid of this real quick. I think I got rid of all the solar panels that were everywhere down here, and I just put them all up top. And I read in a couple updates that they're going to have a helicopter, so I'm leaving that pad open. But let's go up here to where the batteries are. Alright, so I got solar panels here, wind turbines, which it looks like I might need to repair some. But I might actually get rid of the wind turbines because have they got this to where it doesn't need repairs? Yep, still don't need repairs. Good, so I might get rid of the wind turbines and just set it up for solar. And I might, might put in more solar panels. And just let it charge based off the solar panels. But I can also, down by where my boat is, I can connect my boat batteries to the power here and provide power. So I think what I might do is, I think I might go down here, turn off the oil, because all my fuel and diesel is done. Which, you know what, it will shut off itself. Matter of fact, I know it will. So it's just going to pump up all of this. So I'm going to shut off the oil. Oh, so the power's off, so it ain't going to matter. Alright. I tried to keep it as organized as I could. But it looks like it's filling up my oil one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 oil drums. Alright, let's head back down to the boat. And that's pretty much it for this. I thought about putting oil drums on my boat, but then I was thinking, you know what? Don't really care. Actually, I do have oil on my boat. I do. Look at there. And it's full. They're full. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so 7 oil containers on my boat. I got a refiner here, which will allow me to pretty much produce the diesel here. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diesel tanks inside my boat. Since I'm producing this stuff now, I decided to put one here to where I can just make my own diesel fuel, which pretty much stuff goes in and goes right into the it goes right into the boat. And then also goes over to my oil drums, which I got right here. So I got just 3 of these, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I got 6 of them. So my bad. So 6 of these. Alright. And then all this stuff here. Alright, we're not needing this stuff right now. Oh, hey, yeah, speaking of which, let's check out and see what they added in the update. So, because obviously they did an update. Oh, they did. Look at. A Petrol cycle super booster. Okay. A brass telescope. What is this? Entanglement lens. An advanced optic lens increases the popularity of the double output of. Okay. Any new things? Petrol cycle. Okay. Wait a minute. So, does that mean there's another? What the hell is that? Y'all remember when on that one episode my boat did a flippy floppy in the air? I'm all of a sudden I'm finding all of my stuff everywhere. Okay, we're going to get up here so I can. Oh my gosh. Alright, so I think I'm going to try to grind this without destroying one of my batteries. Seriously? May the force be. Oh, I got it. Yay. Alright, so. Alright, so I don't need this, so we're just going to throw that in. Any other ones that I did not see? Man, it's amazing how those things are still popping up. Alright, so everybody, that's the end of this episode. Pretty much it's just a tour. My boat. I got tanks up there. Anything in here? Nothing. Alright, so that's going to be the end of this episode. What in the world is that? Hawk? Wait a minute. Can I customize my boat now? I think I can customize my boat. Let's check it out. Ah, I can. Okay, so it looks like I can't customize my boat, but it looks like nothing can be done about it yet because I might not have what I need. Anything in here that can go in here? Alright, so nothing can go in here. What about this? Any new? Same stuff. Okay. Wait a minute, was that in here before? Yeah. Alright, y'all, so that's going to be the end of this episode. I want to thank y'all for watching, and wow, look at that. Alright, this is a short video, but this is just a basic, you know, showing you what I got done here. Alright, guys, later.